Hi everyone, how are you all? Can you hear me? Okay, so I think I'm audible, right? Okay, let's get started. So today we are going to launch our test series. So we are going to discuss about the same. Cool. So let's just start. Now, before I start, let me just tell you that what we are going to do today. So as I just told you that today we are going to discuss that what are the details of our Go test series. So this Go test series is combinedly of two test series, which is Go classes test series and GATEOverflow test series. So I will tell you all the details. Just be with me. But before that, let me just tell you the few basic things. So it will consist GATEOverflow test series and also Go classes test series. So there are two test series which we are going to discuss today. So these two are different test series, but we also have the package. So you have option to either enroll for Go classes test series or for GATEOverflow test series or combined. Okay, so you can either go for Go classes or GATEOverflow or combined. So what we are going to discuss today in this particular session is basically launch of these two test series, which means both of the test series, GATEOverflow test series and combined test series. Okay, cool. Now let's just get started. So let me first tell you that why this test series. So it is like it will go like this. First, we will self claim that it is a best test series of it. I mean that was the best test series for Get 2023, and then I will tell you that what toppers told about it. Okay, so it is just a self claim that I'm saying that it is a best test series, and why that is so. So let me just tell you. See, if you see any of the question of our test series that we have put in either AIMT or any mock test or even topic wise test or subject wise test, then all of those questions are taken from some standard resource. So for example, this particular question is from AIMT test, and this question we have taken from Stanford University. So you can just even comment out in any of the question that we have on the GATEOverflow, that you can just ask that, okay, from where you have taken this question. Most probably we will be telling you the top notch university from where we have taken the question. So now, okay, now some of you might be saying that what's the use of copying the question from the top university, right? So why we are copying the question? Can anyone guess? So see, this question is from Stanford University. Similarly, let me just tell you that there is some other question that is in some other test that was from the MIT University. So why we are copying the question from MIT, Stanford, Berkeley, these universities? Anyone? Why we are copying? Copying means not directly copy. Basically, copying means referring. Okay, why we are referring to top universities? Because these are the standard. See, these professors, let me just tell you that whoever is this professor for this discrete mathematics at Stanford, who these professors has spent their entire life in that subject. So maybe they have maybe they have 30 years more than of experience just in that subject, or just in that particular research area. And my age is just 28 or 27, right? So even before I born, even before that, these professors were playing in that field. So why not to take their expertise into account, right? Why not to take help from these top universities? So that is our aim, right? So that is why I'm saying that we what we do basically, like we take the questions from top universities, we make them gate relevant. It is not always the case that questions are gate relevant. So for example, this question might not be gate relevant, so I have taken this question and I made it gate relevant. If you have seen one of the gate PYQ, that gate PYQ has this kind of language, so I made it gate relevant, and then we put in the test series. So the combinedly what we do, the process goes like this. We take the questions from top universities, make it gate relevant, and then put in the test series. Now let me just tell you, for just one question, if we follow this process, you might be wondering that just for one question it takes 1 to 2 hours, just for single question, to go through all of this process, because we have to first search out the question on the top universities, then we need to make it gate relevant, right? So the total amount of time that just for one question we spend is just 1 to 2 hours. Okay, so this is what happens for just one question. Now let me just go and tell you that what topper says about it. So like this is what we are saying, that okay, this is the best test series, but what does topper says about it? Let's just see. So what do you think what toppers are saying? Let's just go one by one. So see, this is Pranav, who has secured AIR 3, and what Pranav is saying is that GoClasses platform, their test series especially was extremely helpful in keeping my progress in check and identifying all sort of mistakes. So he is AIR 3 who has posted on LinkedIn, and he himself is saying that GoClasses platform and especially their test series was very helpful to get his AIR 3, right? So this is what AIR 3 is saying. Right now, let me just go over many toppers, that what they are saying about our test series. So this is what AIR 3 is saying. Let's just see what AIR 4 is saying. Now AIR 4 is saying that I would like to thank Deepak Punia sir and Sachin Mittal sir for making such a wonderful test series. In fact, every question of the test was very well framed, matching the GATE standard and providing such a good content for free on YouTube. Okay, so regarding the test series, he is saying that in fact every question of the test was very well framed. See, if someone is saying like that thing, and he has not secured well in GATE, then you might not trust them, right? But if a person who has secured all India rank 4, which is a huge thing, and he is saying that in fact every question, not just a test, okay, he is saying every question of the test was very well framed. And why is saying every question? Because every question go through this process, that process I talked about, that every question from in the test series from the top university, we make it get relevant, and then we put it in the test series. So if we take that much amount of time, then automatically their feedback will be nice, right? So even AIR 4 is saying that every question of the test. Let's just see some more feedbacks. So what this AIR 11 is saying, Khushit is our test series and course enroll student. So he is our complete course enroll student. You might have seen Khushit many times in our GATEOverflow or GoClasses channels. Now Khushit is saying that tech series is next level. Okay, so he has especially talked about the test series, and he's saying that test series is next level. Okay, now let's just see few more toppers. Arun Madhav. Arun has secured all India rank 21, and what he is saying that I am glad that I enrolled in GoClasses test series and got to meet Deepak Punia and Sachin Mittal, the most amazing test series out there. See, AIR 21 is saying the most amazing test series is out there. So these are the few feedbacks that I wanted to show, that what the toppers are saying. See, this is not what I'm saying. This is not I'm saying. This is not Deepak is saying. This is not GoClasses any team member is saying. This is what toppers are saying. So you now you can see with their feedback that how much impact just test series has created in their life, right? And let me just quickly go over few more toppers. So here's Himanshu. If you can see this, Himanshu has secured all India rank 25, and Himanshu is saying that I'm very happy to share that I have received such a wonderful goodies. Okay, he's talking about the goodies for securing AIR 1 and AIM to 2. That is okay. And then he has went about saying, let me just zoom it. Then he has went about saying that thank you GoClasses. Okay, I have learned a lot from their mock test, and hoping that that all these things will pay off. So actually this is a post before the GATE result, I think, and then he's saying that I have learned a lot from their mock tests. So just because of test series, like see there, he's saying that entire team for quality tests. So he just because of test series he has put this post, right? So this is what Himanshu is saying, who has secured all India rank 25. All India rank 25 is saying that their team is putting a lot of efforts to make the test, right? Okay. Now let's just go over maybe few more toppers. So Ashish is saying Ashish has secured all India rank 30, and he is saying amazing experience. All the tests felt like a different version of GATE. All questions are standard, and it never felt like predictable like many other test series do. A must-have test series for every GATE aspirant. So Ashish, who has secured all India rank 30, who is saying a must test series for every GATE aspirant. Must have test series for every GATE aspirant who has secured all India rank 30. Let's see few more toppers probably. All India rank 34. What he is saying that these guys are going to create a trouble for gate paper setters by enabling students to solve complex and conceptual problems very easily. I won't be surprised if highest marks in the gate exam cross 95 by any Go student this time. Anyway, like he's just appreciating the test series. He's saying that we are putting many conceptual questions in the test series. This is AIR 34. So I told you many AIR, right? I think AIR 3, AIR 4, AIR 11, AIR 21, AIR 25, AIR 30, AIR 34. And this is just under 40, and these are just these are just few people who are talking about our test series and who have openly posted on the social platforms. And obviously there are many other toppers like Anjali. Anjali, she got All India rank 13. So she has also posted on the LinkedIn about our course and everything, but I don't have a screenshot currently. But anyway, let me just go over maybe few more screenshots just to tell you that how our test series impacted their rank, right? So this is All India rank 34. This is All India rank 25. These are talking about our test series only, like their stress management, time management, everything is there. So you people might know Shivashish. Shivashish has got All India rank 34, and he was our consistent test series topper. He has topped in almost all the tests, Shivashish, right? Yeah. So let's just go over a few more slides. Now, this is Devdut, who has secured All India rank 52, and he is talking about Go Classes test series in a detail. So you can go over maybe few more slides. This is Tanya, who has secured All India rank 55, and she is also talking about combined test series, and she is saying that the test series really helped me to prepare well for all models of difficulty for the GATE examination. Right, so these are many toppers. Akash Chaudhary, who has secured All India rank 48, All India rank 48, huge thing, right? All India rank 48 is saying that GATEOverflow test series which helped me build a critical thinking skills, right? So he is talking about the test series again. Now similarly, Ravindra, who has secured All India rank 85, he is saying that their top-notch test series is very helpful, right? So many toppers. All India rank 107, Aditya Shaw, he's talking about the magnificent test series. He's saying that it's such a magnificent test series, who is All India rank 107. All India rank 135, he is saying the quality test series. All India rank 148, All India rank 148, AIR 148. He is saying the test series really helped me to prepare for the next level. Okay, and he has put the detailed review about the test series here. All India rank 148, Himanshu Chaudhary. Similarly, All India rank 170, AIR 170. What he is saying the test series of Go Classes is very helpful, right? All India rank 229. He is saying wonderful test series. All India rank 229. All India rank again 229. He is saying the test series is wonderful. Now there are many toppers actually. All India rank 352 saying that gate level mock test. All India rank 689 saying best test series, right? All India rank 229 saying a detailed review about the test series. So Vodip is saying the detailed review about the test series. So there are many people who are talking about the test series, right? So in the comment section also I can say that there are many people who are talking about the test series. Like Kumar Mukesh is saying, thanks, the test series helped me a lot. Okay. Now, All India rank 405, he is talking in a detail about the test series. He is saying that every test had a wow factor. Every test had a wow factor. See, this kind of reviews are very rare. I mean, you might see that toppers are appreciating the test series. That is great. That is good. I mean, some other test series they are appreciating, maybe some XYZ institute or something. So, but just see the intensity of the appreciation. Okay, they are digging deep, and then they are saying about every question of the test, every test of the test series. Such things they are saying. So just see the intensity of the toppers that they are saying, right? So that was because of the all the efforts that we have put. Now All India rank 16, Himanshu Datta is saying AIMT 3 was a great experience. As exam gets closer, it becomes more and more important to control one's nerve. AIMT 3 provide a good practice for the examination day. As always, the questions were phenomenal. AIR 16 is saying the questions were phenomenal. And there was one question in AIMT 3 that we have put, and he's saying my favorite was go back and question. So that was a special question that we have put. I mean, one of the questions that we have put. So he's saying that as always, see, AIR 16 is saying as always, questions were phenomenal. Right? Abhirup, who has secured 1915 rank, and recently he has went into DRDO also. DRDO. He is saying the Go Classes have been providing excellent quality questions, excellent quality content in the YouTube and Go Classes test series for the GATE, which help you through awesome clarity of the most of the important concepts. So Abhirup has secured 1915 rank, and he has also selected into DRDO. recently. Okay. Now, there are many people who are talking about the test series. So this is all what toppers are saying, and actually this is not the all the screenshots that we can put. So I can just say and many more. Okay, there are many people who are talking about the test series. Many people. Like obviously there are people who are talking about the course content, and there are people who are talking about both test series and the course content. So anyone who has seen anything of Go classes, they will talk about it, that is for sure. So currently in this particular session, I'm just listing out all the people who are talking about the test series, right? Okay. Now let me just tell you that all the questions in the test series are standard quality questions. Like for example, let's suppose this was one question that we have put in the test series. That was a one TOC question, and this is the question that we have taken from Stanford. See, we are taking the questions from Stanford, MIT, Berkeley, Cambridge, these kind of universities, right? So why we are taking, as I already told, that these professors has rich experience in their field. Then why not to take their experience into account? Right? If we himself also create the questions, but if we create all the questions by himself, then it will take hell lot of time. So why not to take advantage of the questions which have already been created from the top notch professors in the world, right? Why not? So we just take their help. So take your preparation to the next level with Go test series. I mean, I completely agree that from wherever you are studying your content, that is also very important. But at the same time, test series plays a vital role in the preparation. Vital role. You get to know that how to prepare. You get to know which concepts are weak. You get to understand that okay, you need to work on this particular subject. You need to work on this particular topic. So that is why test series plays a vital role in your preparation. Aren't you agree this? Yeah, Rajdeep is here. Rajdeep, if I remember correctly, Rajdeep has secured 148 or 150 some rank. I'm sorry, Rajdeep, I forgot your exact rank. But yeah, Rajdeep is here, who is saying I have given last year test series, and I can advise that anyone can blindly trust Go classes test series to the superb level. All the questions are fresh and new questions. They are most important. That's the most important thing. Cool. So let me just tell you that why test series is important, and then I will go to the details of the test series that most of you people are interested in, right? So why a good test series is important. Check weak concepts, right? Know where to work. Prepare on self for gate examination, right? So actually test series is very important, and I think every one of you will agree to this, right? Every one of you will agree to this. Yeah, Ganesh is saying that thank you sir for amazing test series, and I remember that Ganesh has also secured a 200 something rank. So Ganesh is saying in the comment that test series is very good, and Ganesh has also secured, if I remember correctly, 200 something rank. Okay. Yeah, Varun is saying that Go is good. Go is so good that they give perfect answer key for gate every year. Yeah, this actually happens every year. So every year what happens that we provide our answer key, and our answer key is almost same as the actual answer key of the gate. Like this is the legacy that we are maintaining. Okay. So now let me just tell you about the details of the test series. So as I said, like we are launching combined test series, GATEOverflow and Go classes combined test series. So combined means there are two test series, GATEOverflow test series and Go classes test series. Both are different entities, but we are putting in the test series, we are putting the combined test series option also. So Go classes test series. Combinedly, let me just tell you, combinedly, both are having 100 plus tests. So which are, I think, which are good enough to test everything like that you wanted to test maybe in your gate preparation. 100 plus tests is huge, I think, right? 100 plus tests, or like both the test series is having combinedly 100 plus tests. For like last year, let me just tell you what happened last year and what is going to change this year. So last year in Go classes test series, in Go classes test series, we had, can anyone tell me how many mock tests, how many full mock tests we had? These many full mock tests. Anyone remember who has attempted the test series? So last year there were nine full mock tests which were available in Go Classes test series. Okay, I'm just talking about the Go Classes, not the GATEOverflow. GATEOverflow has 5 or 6, I think. So total there were 15 tests last year because GATEOverflow had 6 tests, but Go Classes has 9 tests. Okay, so it is last year only Go Classes I'm talking. Okay, only Go Classes, only Go Classes. But this year we are incrementing from 9 to 14. From 9 to 14 we are incrementing. We are incrementing 5 more tests this year. Okay, this year we are incrementing 5 more tests. Why? Because we have found out that full mock tests were very helpful to the aspirants. So why not to give them more quality tests and let them prepare for the worst condition that might happen in the GATE examination, right? So we will be having 14 in Go Classes, test series. And let me just tell you, also in the GATEOverflow. Okay, GATEOverflow test series. So we will be having here we will be having in the Go Classes test series, we will be having, like earlier we used to have 9, but now 14 full length, and here 6 full length. Combinedly you will be getting 20 full length test. 20 full length test is a huge amount. 20 full length quality tests are important actually. Like I mean, not just a bogus test, obviously that won't help you, but if you get 20 full length quality test, then I think it is good enough to test you at any other any variation that might happen in the GATE, basically, right? 20 full length quality standard test from the top notch universities, from the top notch professors, from many standard books. So every test is compiled, as I just told you, that every test, okay, every test is from compiled every test is compiled from standard textbooks, from top notch universities. And actually let me just tell you that it is not easy. Okay, sometimes what happens, that some aspirants ask that, sir, can you just tell me a resource from where we can practice the question, apart from the test series, apart from the weekly quizzes? Can you just tell me the resource? Actually we don't know resources, because if there could have been any resource, then the things could have been very easy. Just to create one test, it takes 3 days just to create one test. So there is no resource actually that we can directly recommend, right? Because otherwise then making the test series could have been very easy task, right? Now some people are asking, what is the difference between GATEOverflow and Go Classes test series? So actually there is no difference in the difficulty level, there is no difference in the standard quality questions. It is just that teams are different. So Go Classes test series is made by Deepak sir and Sachin sir, right? And GATEOverflow test series is made by Arjun sir, who is founder of GATEOverflow, right? So that's the only difference. I mean, the teams are different. Otherwise, other than teams, there is no specific difference. Okay. Other than teams, I don't think there is any difference. So people have talked about GATEOverflow test series. I mean, toppers have talked about GATEOverflow test series. Toppers have talked about Go Classes test series. Generally, almost everyone, like almost, I think 95% or more than 95% people take both of the combined test series. I have not seen, or maybe I have rarely seen people who have taken either Go Classes or GATEOverflow. Okay. So I can say, based on the stats, based on the last year data, almost everyone takes combined test series. Okay, almost everyone. And what is the difference? Just a team is difference. Other than that, nothing is different. Just the team is different. Okay. Now let me know if you have any doubt, and if you don't have any doubt with respect to the number of, with respect to the feature of the test series, then I can go to the pricing of the test series. So there will be 100 tests, and there will be total 20 full length, right? Total 20 full length. Out of 20, 14 will be from the Go classes and 6 will be from the GATEOverflow. And total subject wise or topic wise, I can say topic wise and mixed subject wise, there are 100 tests. So the test variations, let me just tell you the test variations. So there are in the combined test series, right? There are, I can say, one is that topic wise test, subject wise test, mixed subject wise test, I can say multi subject test. For example, like we have put a test for discrete mathematics and engineering mathematics. We have put a test for I think COA, OS, and if I remember correctly, then CN, right? We have put a test for TOC, CD, and I think I don't remember the subjects in that test, but yeah, we have put a test for TOC, CD, and some other subjects, and we have put a test for CDS Algo. So these kind of tests we have put. CDS algo test we have put. So basically there are mixed subject tests also, multi subject tests you can say, right? Or the mixed subject test. And obviously there are very important, which are full length test. So these are test variations in the combined test series. Okay. Thank you everyone. Now let me just tell you the like features are done. Let me just tell you the pricing details, because most of you might be interested in the pricing details, right? So before that, let me announce that test series enrollment, payment and purchase starts from the 16th of April. So today is 15th of April. So the payment will be starting from 16th of April, and the first test will roll out on 17th of April, which is Monday. And you can enroll anytime. It's not like that you have to enroll today, you have to enroll tomorrow, you have to enroll day after tomorrow. No, not like that. Any day before GATE 24 examination, any day. Even if we want to enroll one day before GATE 2024 examination, then also you can enroll. So basically, I think I remember a topper who has enrolled just 20 days before GATE 2024 examination. Okay, so there was a topper in under 100 rank who has enrolled just 20 days before GATE 2023 examination. So you can enroll any day before GATE 2024 examination. Okay. Now let's just go to the fees, test series fees. So there are, as I said, there are Go classes and GATEOverflow test series. So Go classes test series is costing 1399, which is almost 1400. So 1399 is our core price. On top of that, you have to pay GST to the government. So this is something that government is taking. This is irrespective of us. Okay. So 1399 is the individual test series price. Either you take Go classes test series or you take GATEOverflow test series. 1399 is individual test series price. But if you choose to go for combined test series, then you can have 300 approx, I think 300 relaxation if you choose to take the combined test series, and that will be 2500. But on the combined test series, we also have a good news, which is early bird offer on the combined test series only, on combined. Okay, and early bird offer is saying that combined test series till 31st of May will be available just for 2100, and obviously GST is separate. Okay, so if you take after 31st the combined test series, then it will be costing you 2500. But if you take before 31st, right, so this is without early bird. So this is basically without early bird. So if you take before 31st, then it will be costing you just 2100. But if you take after 31st, then it will be costing you 2500 without early bird offer. Okay, So Mufish is asking, sir, any discount for Go students? Yes. If you are Go classes course enrolled student, then we will announce the discount in the separate channels. So it is basically I think 10% discount we will be giving on the Go classes test series, not on the combined test series, because Go classes and GATEOverflow both are very much separate. So that's why like we cannot control the Go classes, we cannot control the GATEOverflow prices. So on the Go classes side, we will be giving you 10% discount. GATEOverflow has their different discounts that will also be listed based on the GATEOverflow criteria. So GATEOverflow has their own criteria. Maybe if you are having a good score on the GATEOverflow, if you are maintaining good reputation and all, so they have their different criteria that will be available in the blog. Okay, cool. So I hope that is fine, that you can enroll any day before GATE 2024. Now let me just tell you one common instance that happens in our test series. So these are the few toppers in one of the mock test. Okay, so in one of the mock tests, these are the like you can pick any of the mock tests. This is just one of the specific mock test chapter toppers I have taken. So these are mock test toppers. Now let me just tell you their actual rank also. Khushit has secured AIR 11. Avrijyoti has secured AIR 400 something. Okay, around 400. Aru has secured AIR 21. Okay, I don't know him. Himanshu Datta has secured AIR 16. Godlike is Ashish, who has secured AIR 30. Shivashish has secured AIR 34. Himanshu Devrani has secured AIR 25. Tirthesh Jain has secured AIR 34, I think, or 37, 34, I think, or 37. Sorry, I'm not 100% sure. It is 34 or 37. Okay. So, yeah, Hath Patel has secured AIR 34. Manpreet, I don't remember. Anjali has secured AIR 13. Shishir has secured AIR 25. 25, right? So this is Aditya. Right? Aditya has secured AIR 170, I think. Devdut, this is Devdut, who has secured AIR 52. Yeah, this is Jaideep, who has secured AIR 1. So you might know him, right? Jaideep was also test series enrolled student who has secured AIR 1. So these are the AIRs of the mock test toppers. This is just a mock test toppers. Now you can see that almost every topper take our test series. This is what is inference that I wanted to make. Okay, almost every topper take our test series. Be it any ranker, you ask anyone who has secured top 200, top 500 rank, most probably they will say that they have taken GATEOverflow and GoClasses test series. Right? Okay. So there will be some discount for the enrolled student. That is actually 10% discount for GoClasses complete course enrolled student, and that discount is applicable only when you are you are GoClasses complete course student. So let me just write it here. Maybe I thought that we will announce it on the private channels, but yeah, let me just write here. So if you are GoClasses, if you are GoClasses test series, if you are GoClasses course enrolled student, let me just put it here. Right? If you are GoClasses complete course student, then we will be providing you 10% discount. Okay, on the 10% discount for only GoClasses complete course enrolled student on GoClasses test series. Okay, so we will always prioritize our student. Don't worry about it. We will always prioritize our student. So just see here that this is the impact that test series have created. So someone is asking, their GoClasses test series topper or GATEOverflow test series topper. This was the actually it doesn't matter because I have taken a randomly. But yeah, this particular test is from the GoClasses test. But if actually everyone, as I told you, everyone take the combined test, so it doesn't matter, like, because these toppers will be there also. So all of them are toppers. Right? Okay. Now, just for the sake of coincidence, I am telling you that one of the topper who has secured AIR 107, AIR All India rank 107, and what he is saying that in my All India mock test 3, a week before the actual GATE examination, I have secured 74.33 marks, and in my actual GATE also I have secured 74 marks. So that much level of impact GoClasses and GATEOverflow test series has made. See, AIR 107 is saying that I have secured 74.33 in AIMT 3, All India Mock Test 3, in Go Classes All India Mock Test 3, and 74 in real GATE, in GATE examination, right? So this much close you can get if you prepare well. I mean, this might be a coincidence. I'm not saying that this will happen to everyone, but I'm just sharing one of the instances that has happened. Okay. Now, this is all about this. Now, let me just tell you what will the schedule of the test series. See, as I just told you that the first test, so you can enroll. Let me first tell you that you can enroll from 16th April onwards. 16 April 2023 onwards, and the first test will roll out on 17th April, and the complete detailed schedule will be available tomorrow on the blog. So the blog description, the link will be in the description. So complete schedule will be available in a blog, and the link will be available in the description. Currently it is not there because we have not written the blog, but I mean that's in the progress, but once it is done we will put the link. Okay, cool. Let me know if there is any other doubt. So that is all we wanted to talk about the test series. Till when early bird offer? 31st of May. So the complete detailed schedule will be available. Now subject for the first test, I think it is engineering mathematics and discrete mathematics. Okay, cool. Now again, the test series is vital in your preparation. A key role, I think I can say, like it is a very good word to say that a key role. It plays a key role in the preparation. So make use of test series effectively. Okay. So that is all I wanted to discuss in this particular session. Let us know if you have any doubt. Let us know. Anything which is coming to your mind. If you want to ask something, let us know. Okay, link will be in the description. Complete schedule will be available and the link will be in the description. Let me just write it here also. Right? Complete schedule will be available in a blog and the link will be in the description. Cool. So Omi is asking, sir, test series will be linked with the current courses. Yes, right. I mean, it will be in the sequence of if you're I know you're Go Classes enrolled student. So if you're Go Classes enrolled student, then you can follow the same sequence. Like we will be providing the test in the same sequence as we are teaching the subjects. Okay. And one more information that most of the questions we will, as I told you, most of the questions we are taking from the standard resources, and the difference between the old test series and new test series is that, like I can say, almost 50% plus questions will be new in GATE 2024 test series as compared to from GATE 2023 test series. Okay, so we will not be repeating all the questions, obviously. Only the relevant questions we will be repeating. Only the beautiful, okay, I can say beautiful questions will not be changed. Actually, there is no benefit of changing those beautiful questions, right? And also, all ambiguous questions or the typo will be fixed. Okay, if there is any typo or any ambiguity or anything, so any typo will be fixed. I can say any typo will be fixed, right? This is 2023 versus 2024 Go classes test series. Okay, I'm not talking about the GATEOverflow test series here. I'm talking about the Go classes test series only. Two 2023 versus 2024 Go classes test series. So this will be the difference. Okay, these three will be difference. Cool. Now, if you have any doubt, just comment it out in the video, and we will reply as soon as possible. For any other doubt, please comment under video. Okay. Yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you everyone for joining in. I hope this information was useful. And one thing I can say that we will be putting our heart and soul in this test series. I will just say that you just make the use of it effectively. Okay, just use it effectively. We will be putting a lot of effort in this test series because we have seen that how much impact this test series is creating. So that's why we are also motivated to put that much efforts. And I will just request you to make use of this test series very, very effectively. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.